Hey, this is Mitch with Encapsulations Down Under, and I'm here to show you why we are not a fan of mechanical fastening. Stay tuned. If you've had a crawl space encapsulation salesman or foundation person come out to your house, they may have used the term mechanical fastening. What is mechanical fastening and why does it matter to you? Mechanical fastening is referring to the way they are attaching the vapor barrier up the wall. Typically it's installed on the floor and then travels up the wall like so. And they may put a piece of caulk or some sort of adhesive here, and they're going to take a high-powered gas gun and shoot nails into your foundation. Probably about every 18 inches, and there's probably going to be about 100 of them total installed in your crawl space. There's going to be a ton of little holes and potential damage occurring. If you look right here, a high-powered gas gun has shot a nail into this foundation. If you look, a crack has actually developed throughout the entire block. Blowouts can happen where it blows out the entire back of the block, but it looks fine in the front. Or these nails tend to not hold and then they pull them out, and so now you have another hole that's unsealed in your crawl space. It's very inefficient. So what has been developed is a patented system that's completely caulk-based. And the biggest con to a caulk-based system is, well, it's not going to hold up, or it can't hold the weight, or it's not strong enough without the mechanical fasteners. Well, here we are to show you that it can hold up just fine. This has been proven to hold over 15 to 20 years without a problem. So if you take anything from this, make sure that maybe mechanical fastening might not be used during your crawl space encapsulation. And if you have any other questions, give us a call. My name is Mitch and our phone number is 574-310-5976. Thank you and have a great day.